Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn about our next poem in literature, and that is The People Upstairs, and its author is Ogden Nash. He was a famous American poet who was known for his humorous style of writing. He had once said that he had started thinking in terms of rhyme since he was 6 years old. He was born and brought up in New York. He moved to Maryland, where he spent the last years of his life. The adventure Ode Isabel is one of his most popular poems. Children, in the poem The People Upstairs, the speaker is frustrated with his noisy neighbors, and throughout the 12 lines of this poem describes what it sounds like from his floor. He imagines them jumping on pogo sticks, making use of a bowling alley, and practicing ballet. These are over the top, amusing descriptions from a speaker who really has no idea what they could possibly be doing to make so much of noise. So let's just begin the poem.
The people upstairs all practice ballet. What is ballet? Ballet is a dance form like Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, hip hop. Similarly, ballet also is a dance form. So here our poet is saying that the people who lives in the upstairs, they all practice ballet. That means they do ballet all the time. Their living room is a bowling alley. Bowling alley means a long, narrow area for bowling. This bowling alley you must have seen in malls. So poet is saying that their living room, it seems like their living room is a bowling alley. Bowling alley is a place where you can play. So wherever you will play, there will be so much noise, crowd will be there. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Conducted tours means guided tours. It means that they take their guests to all their rooms. That is why their bedroom is full with their guests. Their radio is louder than yours. It means that the people who lives in the upstairs, they play their radio in a very loud tune. So when your neighbors will play their radio or when they will play music in a very loud tune, so definitely you are going to get disturbed. The same is happening with our poet. They celebrate weekends all the week. It means that what we do, we work from Monday to Friday, and afterwards 2 days, the weekends, we want to celebrate or to take rest. But here the case is completely different. Here, these people loves to celebrate all the week. They celebrate weekends all the week. Every day there is music going on in their house, crowd, so much noises. When they take a shower, your ceiling leak. It means that when the people take shower and when they use so much water and so much noise is there, our poet feels that his ceiling is going to leak. Look, students, this is not literally that our poet is saying that they are practicing ballet, their living room is a bowling alley. Literally, it is not. Here, our poet is assuming that maybe they are doing this kind of activity. That is why so much sound is coming out from their room or their house. Okay. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. Not only that, but also they provide their guests with pogo sticks. And what is a pogo stick? Pogo stick is a stick on which you can bounce up and down. And when we will bounce on a pogo stick, definitely sound will be there. So they provide their guests pogo sticks so that they can enjoy more. And when their fun at last abates means becomes less, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. That means they also provide roller skates on them to them, and on roller skates they go to the bathroom. So definitely this activity, when you will do this activity, obviously so much loud sound will be there. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. So in the last two lines, our poet Auden Nash is saying that he would have loved his neighbors more if they were living on another floor, because they make so much sound. Because of them, our poet gets disturbed. That is why he said so. He didn't say that he hates his neighbors. We should not hate our neighbors. So that is why he said that he would have loved his neighbors more if they were living on another floor.